The best way to get better at programming is to practice. And in this example, we're going to be looking at how do we take an existing class, in this case account info, which you can see here, and make it serializable so it's easier to transmit across a network, store in a file, etc. As always, these files are available for download using a link provided below in the description. We'll pause for just a couple of seconds so that you can download that file and then follow along with us. Alright, so let's get started. So to make this class account info serializable so we can use it later on, what we actually need to do is go into account info. Here we have our class definition, and all we're going to need to do is come over here and say implements serializable. Now, when we do this, you notice that Visual Studio Code says, ooh, serializable is something we have to import. So it's going to say, okay, import java.io.serializable. Now, a lot of times when you implement an interface, and we've seen this previously, there are abstract methods that you have to override. But notice that there's no error with this. Simply defining this as implementing serializable allows Java to be able to use this in its own way. So we don't have to worry about this. There's no methods that we have to create or anything else of that sort. It's all done automatically for us. This makes serializing data very, very easy inside of Java. The downside to this is the fact that serialized data is not encrypted, which means that things like banking information like this would be, could potentially be a problem because it's all out there in the open. And so we might want to restrict access to certain fields. We'll see how to do that in our next video. If you found this simple video helpful, please give it a like and subscribe to the channel for more information.